minute we're outside the MBK Centre, and our plan is to go for a stroll through Bangkok to the park, which is called Benjakitti. Yeah, so come join us as we have a wander. Hopefully I can burn some calories so I can eat some more food later. I know you won't be able to see in the distance, but it looks like a half-built building. Like the Lego bricks have fallen off it. We're literally a 2-minute walk from the MBK Centre, which is massively famous in Thailand, especially if you're a foreigner coming here to look at stores. About a 2-minute walk, we get to Siam Square, which is a little bit more funky, a little bit more interesting to see. I highly recommend coming here, having a look around, see what they have to offer. A little bit more character to it all. We're still on the way to the park, if we find it. We're still on our walking tour. We're now at the Paragon Hall on our way, and you can also see the Dayuk Tower. It's still a splendid view from the top. Onwards. The Dayuk Tower itself, lots of different restaurants on different floors, variety of foods you can eat. Just turn up. What's that?
And a market.
And a market and everything.
Yeah.
You name it, it's got everything.
Keep walking that way.
We are here, we're going to keep going all the way here. Famous, another mall.
Central
Thailand has lots of them.
Bah.
We're now at Whittier Road, just near the Central Embassy, which is open from 10 AM to 10 PM. Chit station.
Closest station, we can't.
Station. Let's go back down to the street to walk down. Yeah, we keep walking along this road. Next is the Nana station.
We're gonna turn.
And then we turn right and head towards the park.
Sukumvit 4.
So in the Nana section of Sukumvit Road. Down there, yeah?
Yeah. Come on, quickly.
So this area is the area you want to come if you want to look at art, explore a library. I'm joking, it is clearly a party area. No libraries, no galleries. We survived walking through Nana Street with all the entertainment and mile parking to make it to the park, which
Benjakitti. Benjakitti.
Benjakitti.
Yeah.
Stark contrast from one end of the street to the other, from Nana Soy, way over there, party capital central, people partying away, to the peaceful side here where we come to the park. Places to walk, cycle, exercise, be one with nature while still being close to the centre of Bangkok. Let's go and have a look. And the best thing is, we walked here to do what you do in parks, which is to go for a walk. So we're going to go for a walk in the park.
Yeah.
Have to go for a walk.
Now what are you doing?
So we've arrived around about 5 o'clock at night, 1700 hours. Very peaceful, good temperature to go for a walk. Get those 10,000 steps in. Oh, I found something. I found a boat, but I've been told I'm not allowed to take it. No grand theft or own a boat. Instead, I'm going to sit here and relax and enjoy the view rather than going for a paddle on a little boat that I found. Somewhat disappointed. Again, trying to develop my Thai and remember words in Thai that will be useful to me one day. Sapan.
Sapan.
Bridge.
Yeah, bridge. What about this?
This is a noodle boat. Quid dia.
เรือ
Quid rua.
No, it's not noodle boat. ก๋วยเตี๋ยว is noodle.
เรือ
เรือ
Like rowing. So
Yeah, เรือ
rowing, yeah, rua.
เรือ
Rua. And then lots of dog mai.
ต้นไม้
Well, there's flowers as well. That's what I was going with. Dog
Okay,
mai.
okay ดอกไม้
So dog mai, and then don mai, which are trees. I can't tell you the individual names of each tree. And tang, for path.
ทาง
Tang,
เนี่ยทาง
for
เดิน
path. Tang dern, re,
ทางเดิน
tang dern for walking. Tale,
no น้
nam, just nam.
ำอืม
Is it a grove? Like a,
I'm not sure what you call it
what do you call this?
บ่อน้
Bon nam? What's that? Pond?
ำอู้ fish
Lots of mosquitoes. What's that in Thai?
ยุงเยอะ
Yung ya,
ยุง
yung ya,
ยุงเยอะ
and they keep biting me. So
กัด
gag,
กัด
gad,
กัด
gad,
K U D
gad,
yeah
and that hurts. So that's jeb. No, jeb's
Jeb.
touch, jeb,
เจ็บ
jeb, because every time it's like jeb, jeb, jeb. So, for those who are trying to learn Thai, I hope I've helped you learn Thai today and made you feel better about how you're saying Thai words, because I say them all wrong. And if you are a Thai person, I apologise for ruining your language, but I'm trying. So please just take a minute and appreciate that I'm trying. I'm very trying. Like really annoyingly trying.
Yeah. Can you stop jibber now
Can I stop jibber jabber? Yeah, we'll just keep walking around the park. The Central Park. Thailand's version of Bangkok's version of Central Park.
yeah
So New York's got their Central Park. Thailand's got their Central Park, as well as the Long of Thailand. Does that count as a Central Park as well?
I don't think so that's just
Isn't
a
it just a
village
separate thing,
yeah
isn't
just a separate thing It's a
Thailand's
skywalk.
Central Park. No skateboarding, no scootering, no rollerblading. Most people are jogging. They've even put in a big flat screen TV so you can come to the park and watch TV. Wow. That's nice. Swy Agadi
อากาศดี
Agadi Magmag Songop
สงบ
Sonop
nice isn't it
Very nice. Really quiet. I thought it'd be busy. I thought there'd be lots of people wandering around. People need to take more time to chill if they get the opportunity. Thompson's Park. If you come to Bangkok and you party every night, spare one day or one evening to come here.
it doesn't take long
Enjoy it. Doesn't take long. Go for a quick walk.
2 hours
2-hour walk.
no 2 hours
About that. I'm sure you can grab a grab, get a taxi,
or walk
or walk. And you just appreciate being in nature.
อืม
A nice wind as well. Long,
ลมเย็น
yeah. So I can jump. Remember.
yeah จ
So I can remember
ำ
later.
yeah make memories
Make memories. Jump. See? Reducing air pollution and increasing air quality in the area. Making Bangkok healthier and a happier place. Not just the world of a land of smiles, a land of happy, healthy people. There's lots of things I could say to try and sound fancy, but let's say what it is. It's a really big park and it's very nice. So just come in. Simple. Enjoy the view.